Okay, let's talk about some Splurge Shadows. So Splurge Shadow is a cream shadow. We have an array of colors, as you can see back here. You can see online. I've also added it to the party page. So this one is assertive. So we have them in two different kinds. We have them in the matte variety and in the shimmery variety. I am going to show you in the matte variety. And I'm going to show you how to make a look using just 2 or 3 of the products. Okay, so we're going to start with Victorious. Victorious is a very nice neutral pink. It's very skin toned. I'm going to put that on my lid going all the way up. You'll see it's probably going to be really light in the video here. I am very light skinned, so it doesn't show up as well as it would on someone who had a little more pigment to their natural skin. My skin falls right at the bottom of the colors, so I'm just lighter skinned. Okay, so I've covered my whole lid and brow area with Victorious. Okay, and it just gives me a nice matte finish to start with. I'm gonna wipe my brush off here on I have just a little towel down here. I'm just gonna wipe the excess off on that. Okay, now I'm gonna go into Faithful, and I'm gonna show you Faithful. Faithful is a nice, well, I call that a suede brown. And I'm going to do my lid in that, and a tiny bit will do my whole lid. Okay, and the darker the color is, the more precise you need to be with where you put it. It is extremely blendable. It starts as a cream and dries to a powder. I primed my eyes prior to putting anything on them so that this product stays where I put it, doesn't end up creasing. Okay. And I have very deep creases in my eyes anyway. Okay, so I'm gonna let that hang out, and I'm gonna show you Proud. Proud I'm gonna use as my eyeliner today. This is a nice, I call it a brownie brown. It looks like brownie batter to me. So I'm gonna grab my brush, and I'm just gonna run it through sideways. So a cream shadow brush is a densely packed brush that's kind of pointed a little bit. Let me do that so you can see. It's kind of pointed on the end, so I can use it as an eyeliner here. And again, this is the color Proud. It's a chocolatey brown. Okay, and we'll do the other side. Just like that. And I can do the top. Now this is going to look scary because I haven't blended the Faithful yet. But if I do this before, it'll all blend in beautifully. And if you do a winged, you can do a beautiful wing. I'm not good at wings, so I don't do them, and they just don't look right with my eye shape. So, okay, so let's grab my super fluffy brush. So with Splurge Shadows, I use 2 brushes. I use the Unique Cream Shadow Brush, which is densely packed and allows me to put it exactly where I want it. And then I have just an inexpensive fluffy brush that I use to blend. So when I blend, I go in circles, and I just want to blur those lines so it doesn't look like I have shadow on, so it looks more natural. Okay, I just poked myself in the eye, I apologize. So now my eyes are going to run. Okay, so that is 3 cream shadows. You can totally do it with 1 cream shadow because they do, as you can see here in the brown, they are rather dimensional. Okay, I chose to do 3 so that you could see it used in different ways. We can also use this as a lip color. I'm an orange fan, as I'm sure you've noticed. So my Defiant, whoop, we're going to use Defiant on my lips. So again, I'm going to grab that cream shadow brush, and I'm going to dip into and put it right on my lips. Okay, there we go. And there we have a look with cream shadows.